can go as far as one. Shut me out by framing me with weapons. A desperation. Rolling. Action.
That vibrate. That vibrate.
Talking about that, I get some not so nice news from two of my youth them on the ground. Rolling. Action. You can't beat a real actor, you know, the man say, up a building. So now, you're coming like to the building, you're on the hilltop.
That's what me that thing.
Tell you.
That's me that thing still. So the building there up on the hilltop. And a hilltop. And up a
hilltop.
No.
It's one of films. It's a site where anything there. Yes, a different
Which is
side.
why I didn't want to have that
yeah,
hilltop reference.
Yeah.
Up at the building. Up at the building. Up at the top of the building.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Ready? There's no sense of to none of the projects that he might try though. He's not genuine. It's not just genuine me I look for. But that is why you don't want to get none of the projects done. You don't genuinely want to acquire them because right. One of the things let me tell you what you do as well. Let me tell you what you do. You shut down a project that he was going to start because some things when him did forget when they go around. So like the soil itself or the place where we'd use it one time when you think that certain place where you're not for build, certain height where you're not for go.
Yeah.
Right, so if they are breach certain things, and Carlton just make some people go in and shut it down. Some have a definite hate for Carlton. So you're saying so there's no sense of just that he's not genuine. It's not genuine. He might do it because he just want to have the clout of being a thing there. He want to be able to justify the money where I come through.
Alright, go on.
Yeah. So that is why, as long as he might try another business here, once he might try them things here, me I will shut him out. I could try it.
Play it again.
Yo. Alright, so. No, we need a little bit.
I see him go check up on.
Learn some. I mean, learn a little something keyboard.
Keyboard too, yeah. Guitar, musical instruments over.
Machine.
6 foot.
There had to be something.
Open 3, 5. Open 3, 6, 5. I'm almost there. Well, I was there. Open 3. Open 3, 6, 5. I was there.
Alright, so director, over there.
Today we have Port Royal. Decided to use Port Royal today because it have a whole heap of historic values, you know. And because I realized that we've used close to Port Royal, but we never really use Port Royal. So today we just want to see how we can get a different look, you know. This is where the ferry used to come. So for people who don't know, there was a ferry that used to run from downtown comes to Port Royal because Port Royal people do, a whole heap of Port Royal people do business in downtown Kingston and vice versa. So there was a ferry and them get rid of that and I think it's a big mistake and I hope them bring it back.
So we'll continue the mini walkthrough.
Shoulder, boom, this, spin and right one.
What a spin in a real life. Alright.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Alright? You're saying this again. No, this two
Oh, yeah,
right. Totally out of it. I don't know how one. Is there a police station over there?
Yes, around there.
Alright. Just leave that. There's a police station. There's a police.
Wow.
Yeah?
Tickle.
Yeah.
Why should you try the spinning now?
Yeah. Let's try.
In a real life.
Sue have plastic on today.
Where's the bubbles?
Plastic on.
Yeah.
Action. Not bad. So we're gonna go for a close up when the action there happens.
Okay.
Yeah? So we're
Was
gonna get the
that
first
good?
one.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
And I didn't hurt you.
Right.
Yeah, it comes.
Alright.
Me looking down is alright?
I don't really want you to.
No, as an agent, you would not
No,
look
I wouldn't
down.
be looking down.
Yeah.